I want to start with talking to you about the kind of work that you do and the kind of children that you see in your practice every day. I know you deal with kids with ADHD especially.
ADHD is attention deficit
Right.
hyperactivity disorder. This is not from bad parenting.
So, have you ever dealt with kids who have been exposed to mature content too early?
Yes,
What is the
yes.
kind of impact on
That gives a very bad impact because
my 6-year-old lies constantly? Should I punish him or ignore it?
if they're lying that they don't want to go to school.
But you know, sometimes
Listen,
yeah.
if they're lying that they don't want to go to school, you have to listen to them.
Yeah.
There is something happening.
the right age to date.
If as Indians, there is no right age for all this.
This is a very valid question. My teenager is obsessed with influencers. Is this a mental health warning sign?
I'll tell you something. See, इसमें कोई अगेन राइट एज नहीं होता है. अगर आपको दिख रहा है आपका बच्चा अच्छा है तो उसको वैलिडेट करो. वाओ नाइस यू
What do you wish you could scream at every parent?
every parent, please give time to your children because I see parents.
Hi, and welcome back to For What It's Worth. Today on the podcast, I have a very close friend and also a child psychologist who deals with children aged 4 and above. She deals with children navigating with ADHD, emotional issues, and also children who are navigating emotional struggles in today's fast paced world. With years of experience guiding families and talking to children whose voices sometimes go unheard, she is here with us today, giving us her 2 cents about what it feels like to deal with kids having behavioral issues and emotional struggles in today's fast paced world. I am so excited to dive deep into this conversation with her and talk about parenting myths, controversial discipline techniques, and other issues like the Delhi pollution that the kids today are dealing with. Please welcome Prableen Kaur, a psychologist who truly understands what today's children are going through. Hi, Prableen. Thank you so much for being with us today and coming on our podcast. I want to start with talking to you about the kind of work that you do and the kind of children that you see in your practice every day. I
Okay.
know you deal with kids with ADHD especially.
Yeah.
So, can you tell me a little bit about your practice and the kind of parents and children that you see every day?
Sure. Okay, so I work with the US mental health company, NGN Learning, and what they are into is that from between the age of 14 to 17, they work with the mainstream children also and special needs children also. And that is with children with ADHD, autism, virtual autism, and speech delays, every category and every disorder, we do rehabilitation, right? And we also teach them social and we make them socially emotionally aware and intelligent, which is very important these days. We are not given any guidelines once we wake up from the bed how to act, you
Right.
know. Our parents these days, parents are working and they just go for their work, and children have to make their bed, wake up, brush their teeth, wear their slippers,
Yeah.
remove the night
And it's
suit,
overwhelming.
bathing. It's very this process makes them they have so much exposure these days
Yeah.
to internet, they forget things, and this is actually making them very confused. Sometimes they are waking up and throwing their things and giving so many tantrums.
So you talk about ADHD. I want to
Okay.
know from you, ADHD, is it like
I'll tell you what is ADHD first. ADHD is attention deficit
Right.
hyperactivity disorder. This is not from bad parenting.
because
Firstly,
I
let me
want
clear
to
this.
yeah, exactly. I wanted to ask you this
Yes.
because sometimes it is taken so casually
Yes.
that if a child is misbehaving, they're like he has ADHD.
No.
And
So
I don't think it's medically diagnosed.
Yes. No. I'll tell you something. This is not a bad parenting thing. Firstly, I want to tell this to parents that don't take it on yourself. This is not because of you. It can be. So there are 3 types of ADHD: mild, moderate, and severe. Okay, and this starts. We can diagnose this like from the age from below 12. Through the help of psychiatrist and psychologist, this can be diagnosed. Okay, and it is neurodevelopmental thing, and it is genetically there. It is not because of parents. It is not parents that you're not treating your child well,
or
they
the
have
circumstances
ADHD,
that the
or the
kids are being brought up.
circumstances. No. No. So this is something that children are born with. Okay, and this is not
Because
because
it's
of
this word is really misconstrued,
yes,
and it's
yes,
been like flying around very casually.
yes.
And I feel like the schools today are also not very equipped with handling the true
Because
cases of ADHD.
okay.
The schools are, I don't think, very equipped with
So,
handling
according to the
kids with.
new NEP policy of 2020, if we talk about India, schools it is mandatory for schools to have socially emotional curriculum,
Yeah.
and it is mandatory. Like math, science, English, you're supposed to have SEAL, okay? Because you see the cases of bullying,
Yeah.
suicide, exam anxieties,
Yeah.
and of course sexual assaults happening in schools
Just
in
now,
Delhi.
this 9-year-old girl
Yes,
committed suicide.
yes,
9-year-old.
yes. And the other day,
Shocking.
one of them, some there was another case of sexually assaulted case that
Okay,
happened.
yeah.
In a very good school. I don't want to take the name, but yeah, good big school,
Yeah.
good big names are also facing a lot of issues because
Yeah.
there is a counselor, but imagine how will a counselor deal with this class of 40.
But do you think a school counselor is just a tick box in all the schools, or do you think they're actually like playing a role of being a
I
counselor? Like, because usually it's one, like you said, one counselor for like, I don't know, 200 kids?
200, the strength of the school is 1,000.
Yeah. So do you
1,000
think
above.
they are just doing it to follow some guidelines, or do you think that is.
Exactly, because there is no proper content given to
Yeah.
them, like this is you have to follow. There has to be group interventions, personal interventions, and also strength based assessment tests, like what is happening in a class of 40.
Yeah.
And there should be sitting arrangements can be done. We can make some a corner that
Yeah.
that can be a emotionally safe corner, so
Because-
when you're feeling anxious, you can go in that corner.
Yeah.
That is how we have to make we can do mood checks.
Right.
How is everybody feeling today? How's the weather today? First, let's start from there, and then how is everybody in the class feeling today? So there are a lot of things that we can do with children, and that is what we do in NGN Learning. And that is how we are making schools equipped with everything, because
But
there
also,
is-
do you think
yeah.
that's supposed to be started at a very young age and not like at
This
an
starts
older
with
age?
the age of like kindergarten.
Kindergarten, yeah.
You have to start it there. See, that is what we were talking about
Yeah.
initially. Like when you sit with me
Yeah.
as a adult, say about a 35-year-old girl sitting next to me and came for therapy, the first question I'll ask you is, how was your childhood?
That's right.
So the root cause for every traumas
Yeah, is
that an
childhood.
adult is facing is childhood. They have faced something in their childhood which actually is stuck
Makes
in
them
them.
who they are, yeah.
It's stuck in them, and that is how they are reacting to situations in life. So
That's so
if
true.
there is, because we firstly, most of the people today are living their life in survival modes. Okay, they are, because
It is true. Yeah.
millennials are taught like that ये है तो ऐसे करना, ये है तो ऐसे करना, एक guideline दी हुई है and everybody is following that guideline.
That's right.
कोई उसके अगेंस्ट क्यों नहीं जा रहा, कुछ कोई अपने मन की नहीं कर रहा, क्योंकि रिस्क, एक तो हमारे में रिस्क टेकिंग एबिलिटी भी
Factor
नहीं है, हम वो नहीं ले पाएंगे. we are born with के नहीं safe
Yeah.
play.
And also, I think that's what we have been taught as parents and conditioned that
हमारा सिस्टम ऐसा बना हुआ है, प्रोसेसिंग
Yeah.
हमारी वैसी हुई
Yeah.
है. दैट इज व्हाट द थिंग
Yeah.
इज. बट अगर हम इसको रूट कॉज को किंडर लेवल से ही, LKG UKG से ही देने लग जाएंगे, हम उनको पेंटिंग्स कराते हुए जब एक लाइन के अंदर ड्रॉ करना है, तो वो क्यों करना है, बाउंड्रीज हैं हमारी, हम एक डिफरेंट वे से सब
Yeah.
समझाया करेंगे. सो दैट विल रियली हेल्प.
That is true. And also, probably you and I have known each other
Yeah.
when we were kids.
Yeah.
And our childhood was so different from
Very
what
different.
kids have
I
it
used
now.
to go with you to football sessions.
Yeah,
We
football,
had,
yeah, and
we
then
had football sessions, and very very surprisingly, you calling me for an podcast is
Because I
totally a
was seeing-
drastic change in Radhika's
I
personality.
was seeing the work that you're doing, and I was very, very impressed. And actually,
Thank
with
you.
I have my hands full with 2 kids, and I was very intrigued, and I wanted to actually talk to you about it. But I want to talk to you and understand from you that our childhood was so different.
Very different.
Like we used to come back from school,
Yeah.
throw our bags,
Yeah.
and then go to each other's house.
Yeah, yeah.
And then that's it. And then we were out of the house.
Yeah.
Sometimes we were going and
To the
to the park.
parks.
Sometimes we were just going
We
to the
had our,
corner shop and buying some like
But
soda,
at least
banta we used to
yeah.
drink.
Yeah, but we had our walks.
Yeah.
That was a thing.
Physical
Now,
activity.
Physical activities. We had our walks. We had our, in the summer vacation, your mom used to make you join different
Yeah.
outdoor activities. And my mom was
Yeah.
like, if she's going, you also go.
Yeah.
Okay? So, because I was like, I want to stay with Radhika all the time.
Yeah. So, but kids have it so different these days. And also, I don't blame them because you see the situation, right? Like, I wouldn't necessarily send my kids for an outdoor sport now because of the pollution. We are stuck
my God.
indoors.
Yeah.
So how does that kind of impact their mental state? Because now they're only sitting at home.
Don't ask me.
Schools
We
are shut
have-
half the year.
Yeah, half
Either
the
it's
year. Online sessions or
online
hybrid
session,
mode.
or it's like pollution, or there's
Right.
some disease,
Right.
or it's like COVID, or
Hand,
something.
hand, foot, mouth.
Hand, foot, mouth. So how do you kind of first of all entertain them in a constructive way? Because when they're at home, it's just screen time, it's just iPad, and iPad is
See,
also
I'll tell you, we have to first, now this is something that we have to make our home emotionally safe. For emotionally safe place. To as parents, now you are co-therapist to your children. You are guiding them, you are schooling them, to be honest. As parents, we have to be very, very, you are being monitored. Remember that.
Yeah.
You are being monitored by your children. So you have to be very cautious about the words that you use, the activities that you are doing, and the screen time that you have.
yeah,
Because they
That is
will
true.
follow you.
because we're constantly on our phones.
Yes. So firstly, you have to leave the phone. Then you have to, seeing the pollution, I would suggest everybody to have indoor plants.
Yeah.
Okay. And we have to be, we have to give them some sort of pollution hygiene also, that when we move out, we have to make a thing that our children wear masks.
Yeah.
Because children are very vulnerable and they breathe faster than us.
Yeah.
Okay, that is
Yeah.
one thing. They breathe faster than us. So we have to give them, they are so prone to go outside. That is their main thing.
Yeah.
That is their main
And
thing.
I remember like after 10 days of being indoors because of pollution, my daughter who's 2 years old and can barely talk was like, I want to go play football. Because she
Yeah.
was so frustrated being at
Yeah.
home.
So that
and
is
that's
what-
when I decided, I said, we have to just leave Delhi because
Yeah.
this cannot go on.
Yeah.
This is just torture.
See, we are privileged that we can think
Yeah.
of leaving, but there are masses that they
Of
have
course.
their houses and
Of
we have to.
course.
So what? Firstly, we should do some indoor plants for our children. Then let's go back to the times when we used to play board games.
Yeah.
Because that is our thing now.
Yeah.
We don't have an option because that will give lot of family time.
Yeah.
That will make our bonds and our connections with the children. That is the cause for, that will just erase screen time from your life and from the child's as well. That is the main thing.
Yeah.
We have to take out a solution for this, and board games, spending time with each other. The walks that you do, have a thing that, okay, now children are helping you with the household
Yeah.
chores. Okay, give them that independence. You have to do this, you should do this. Teach them few things and give them your time.
Yeah.
That is very important.
Yeah, I think that is lacking. Like,
Yes,
because
there is,
with the
because
nanny culture also,
that is why. That is why.
that
na.
is lacking. Like, I don't think our kids are so, they're very, very
Privileged.
privileged also, yes, but they're very dependent. They're
On the
not
nannies.
independent at all.
Yes.
And when you travel abroad and when you see kids from different countries,
Oh, come on.
a 2-year-old is eating on their own, and a
6-year-old,
5-year-old,
a 6-year-old will make the bed.
yeah,
A 6-year-old can make the bed.
yeah,
That is so nice.
and our kids have never made the bed.
Yes.
So-
and they can't even take out their, and it's okay.
Yeah.
We will teach them this. They will get to know this. But Indian parents are little more
Relaxed.
relaxed, and they pamper their child so much.
Yeah. So how does that kind of affect in the long? What kind of
See,
effect does it have in the
of
long run?
course, because if you pamper your child, world is full of sharks. That is
Yeah.
what I tell. We have got such a nice time now that we can stay indoors. We have to use this as a thing now, because now if we spend that much time with our child, and we will have the bond, we can teach them whatever they want. Their brain is like a sponge. Okay, they are absorbing everything that they are looking at. It's a developing brain.
Yeah.
Okay, they are not a 25-year-old and they have their own mindset and a viewpoint. We can just set whatever we want. It is like a regulator in our hand right now.
Yeah.
If you see like that,
Yeah.
if you see from a counselor's point of
Yeah.
view, it's a regulator in your hand right now, which you need to evolve
Set.
left or right and set according to you, and they will become a person that you want.
And for the long run, that
And
is
for the
exactly
long run,
what you
that
need.
is what we want now. We don't want them to have traumas, that childhood trauma of a father not giving time. What these days, a 35-year-old or 40-year-old has, that because my father hasn't given time to me, I can't spend time with my child, because I feel like ऐसे ही तो होता है, इतना थोड़ी
It's
time
normal.
देते हैं. It's
Yeah.
normal, पर ऐसा it's not normal. That was your father didn't give time because he was busy in his own life to give you a certain life standard and everything. But it's not that they were not available for you. They might have come for your PTMs or your special occasions, but they were your providers. So there is a very thin line that adults need to
But
understand these days.
I think fathers have really stepped up now.
Now the things have changed.
Yeah.
Now the fathers are taking care of their children, making them ready for school.
Yeah.
Like it, because now I'll tell you, now we are millennial parents.
And I
Now
think
we
we
are
want
addressing.
equality.
Yes, we are
Yeah.
addressing everything.
Yeah.
We are addressing, I had this issue with you and I don't want to have this issue with my child.
Yeah.
We have balls to say that.
Yeah.
We are millennial parents. That is a difference.
So, how do you discipline a child? Like, there's a lot of controversy because when we were young, we used to get hit. It was very normal.
No, I'll tell you. So we have to, validate the feelings of the child. Firstly, we can't hit them, and we should not hit them. We have to validate our child, and
Because sometimes my parents also, I mean, sometimes, there is this being said that, sometimes you just give a whack and,
And just
he'll
get out.
he'll act properly the next time. So, it's a very controversial topic actually.
No. What we have to do is we have to be very calm with our children, and we have to validate their feelings. Oh, you are cranky right now. It's okay. Take a moment. Once you are okay, we will talk about it. So you just have to change your viewpoint
Yeah.
about a child being cranky, about a child wanting something. We have to validate their feelings. We have to give them a strength. We have to be their strength. कि आप रो रहे हो, सही रो रहे हो, पर एक बात कर लेते हैं रोने के बाद. आप ठीक हो जाओ, पानी पियो, हम बात करते हैं. Change the viewpoint and make them
But that
feel.
requires a lot of patience from us. And I think in today's world, getting that patience.
See, we need
Yeah,
to work on ourselves
That's
for
true.
that.
That's
we
true.
need to work on
Yeah.
ourselves. If you want your child to be a extraordinary adult
Yeah.
sitting there in front of 10
Confidence.
people
Yeah.
and making
I
their
had
viewpoint,
the best childhood.
yeah,
Yeah.
saying that.
Yeah.
So you have to be, you yourself have to give that. Parents have to start with it.
That is true.
Yeah.
So, what is your take on? Have you seen the show Adolescence? I
No,
don't know on
haven't.
Netflix.
I haven't.
You
I have
heard-
seen the
but
two.
you-
I've
you've
heard about it. Yes.
So,
yes.
what is your take on kids watching screen time, but unsupervised screen time, which
that
is
is what
not in our control? Because when you're watching YouTube, and sometimes YouTube is unrestricted, right? Like they are giving you videos
I'll
and
tell you,
suggesting
now
videos
these
to you.
days in 6th graders, 5th graders, 7th graders have their iPads now. Even a 3rd grader has an iPad.
Yeah.
Okay, they have their iPad, but there are apps, there are things which I think parents have to monitor.
Yeah.
Okay, firstly, I'll tell you. Do you know what is the screen time age-wise? Are you
I
aware?
know that, but sometimes
I'll tell you.
I
So
choose to
between
ignore
2
it.
to 5,
Yeah.
2 to 5, since your children are
There is
2
no
and
screen time, right? I
no,
think something
there's
like
the
that.
screen time of 40 minutes.
Okay,
Very
well,
less.
I have
And
failed
too
that
just,
test.
and that too just for educational apps. no rhymes or coco melon and all of that.
Cocomelon has a very bad effect on kids.
Yes,
That is
because
the
that is
study
the
that has
word
proved.
that has, I don't want to say, but that is not that coco
Yeah.
melon. Please delete yourself because you are making children, I don't know
Addicted
what.
to like bright lights
Yeah,
and
colors. And also it is giving them, that is why they are having ADHD now, because
Yeah.
they are being attention and focus deficit. Okay, their
Yeah.
attention and focus span and being less.
Yeah.
One rhyme gets over and they want to watch the other. They
Yeah.
want to watch the other. That is
Yeah.
how, you see the finger. This finger
Yeah.
has fastened.
Yeah.
This is not nice. So that
Yeah.
is what I'm saying. For a 40 to 45 minutes, 42 to 5, and after 5 till say about 12, there has to be monitored apps.
Monitor that.
Okay,
What is the
when-
right age to give a phone to your, not before the age of?
See, I will not say anything about that because we have had our things
Yeah.
on that.
We did have a phone.
We did
like I
have a
think we
phone.
had a Nokia phone at the age of.
Oh, only Radhika had a
Nokia.
very good phone, that orange color phone.
But
you
that
had.
also I got like
When you were in
I think
12th.
when I was in 12th standard.
Yes, you were
and
in
that
12th. I
that
was
very
in 8th.
fancy flip phone.
Flip phone, very fancy phone, and that
And I
too
think I
because you
was-
were a Shah Rukh Khan fan, and Shah Rukh Khan
Yeah,
had that in
I
one
was.
movie.
I still am though.
Yeah.
yeah, big fan.
So I remember you were a Shah Rukh Khan fan, and Shah Rukh Khan had that phone in one movie, and you wanted
Yeah.
that phone. So that is how your father
I
gifted
think
that to you.
he didn't. Actually,
Huh?
I saved up my money. I saved up all the pocket money that I could
Okay.
possibly have.
Okay.
And I bought it for myself.
Yeah, something like that
Yeah.
happened. I just have few, nostalgia
But we didn't have
moments.
phones. Like
I too didn't
phones
have.
were like
I
we
too
didn't
didn't
have
have.
any. And even if we did have phones.
See, I'll tell you the right
We
age.
didn't have any
because
screens.
I'll tell you now. There is so much of exposure,
Yeah.
and we need phone. Why? Because to communicate with our child. Okay, where are you? What are you doing? Because we are also out now. Times have changed.
Yeah.
To communicate with the help.
Yeah.
To what is the child doing? Where is he? What time did he come? So maybe teenage is right
Yeah.
to give the phone, but also in a monitored way.
Monitored
The
way.
monitored apps. Like if you're downloading an app, I should get
The password
the
for it
password
and
and
check it.
and also like yes or no that I want this
Yeah.
app in my phone
Yeah.
or not. Okay, so that is what my I taught my brother is a BTech engineer, and he is very possessive about his his nieces and nephews and even his daughters having all the apps and everything. So he made sure to, and he gave this class to my sister and my other relatives about these apps. Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, and he was like, "इनको ऐसे download करो, ऐसे settings भी डालो," because my siblings.
But I think
my-
that's a good set. I mean, that's something it's important to know.
yeah, because
you have kids.
because yes, it is very important when you have kids like a 13-year-old or a 14-year-old. We need to check with what they are watching and for how long. And it is important. Everybody will get to know everything, but at the right time.
Right time. So, have you ever dealt with kids who have been exposed to mature content too early?
Yes,
What is the
yes.
kind of impact
Yes.
on?
That gives a very bad impact, because these days, I had a case where a child was expelled from school because he was touching private parts of other children, because he saw this happening at his home with the parents. So he was expelled from the school, and there is no leverage in schools for this.
course.
There is no leverage. Everybody is so, every child
Yeah,
is
wants
so
to protect their child.
every child is so, these days
Protective, you're protective about your child. You don't
it's
want some.
just
somebody like
parents
that.
cannot bear this. This is the
Yeah.
last thing to happen in
Yeah.
school, where your child is for like half of the day.
Yeah.
And for studying, we are sending our children to school with lot of courage ke ye kuch
They are
ban ke
safe and
aayega.
they are
They are in
safe.
safe
Yeah.
hands. It is for their future. वहाँ पे ये कुछ ऐसा हो जाएगा, parents don't have it in their mind also. And if something like this happens, oh my God, parents become so panicky about it, so stressful, and the child was expelled. There, even as a psychologist or as a psychiatrist, counselors, there is if we bridge in also, but we can't do anything about it. We have to help the child. Now coming to what will happen to the child. See, we can just, what we can do is we can just work with the child with therapy. Okay, we can give them more of art therapy and play therapy. Since it was a
Yeah.
6-year-old that I dealt with the
no.
case, we can give them art therapy and play therapy and make them realize few things, because we have to go on a child's level to they will not talk. Okay, they will
They
not
will
talk.
not want to discuss this.
They don't want to discuss because they don't know the right vocabulary also to discuss this. They aren't aware of anything. We have to go on their level. That is about pencil, paper, pen. Art therapy, play therapy, go on there, and then start discussing few things. Maybe that goes in their ears, and then later, with therapy for like a year or so, maybe 6 months, maybe a year or so, they will uh, they will have little very very foggy and very less of
Memory of-
memory and images of what they saw. Only when given an emotionally safe home also. Even the parents need therapy at that time,
Yeah, I'm sure.
not only the child, the
And
parents
how do you
also need.
deal with like violent behavior in kids?
See, violent behavior in kids can be at different situations. You have to understand the child also. Firstly, we can't be
Why
so...
is he acting out?
Yeah. What is the reason? Was he first hit by the other child and then he hit harder? So, this is also a question. Or was he the first mover?
Because bullying is a very serious issue.
Bullying is an issue, taking
But also, I feel
false
like kids are so
names.
sensitive these days that even a little thing really, like, emotionally really messes them up. You
Yeah.
know, like if somebody calls.
Because everybody is a prince and a princess
Yeah.
of their father, mother now.
That's true.
Yeah.
So if anybody
That
is
is what
like,
I was saying.
I wanted to do this and he didn't let me do this,
Huh,
now
because
my feelings are hurt.
Now, yeah. So because we give them so much of, pamperness at home, and they are our princes and prince and heroes and what not names we have for our
Yeah.
children. But that is fine. That is our love for them.
Yeah.
But that doesn't mean that, if they are out, they will get everything they want. We need to teach them there is a boundary. Okay? That is why we say that single child is little tough to deal
Yeah.
with. So we should have siblings.
Yeah.
I really suggest
so
parents.
personally for me, yes, like you said, like for me also, if I wanted kids, I wanted 2 kids. Otherwise,
Yeah.
I wanted none.
Yeah.
Because for me, having a sibling was so important.
So
So
important.
important. Also, like what you said is also a reason. And the second reason is that when you grow up,
Right.
you kind of want
A person,
person
to be with, other than parents.
other than parents to understand you.
And
to be a
parents
family,
are
like-
also parents. I'll tell you something, Radhika. This is, see, and I really want to talk about your sibling also at this time, because I have known him.
Yeah.
We were friends, and I was actually Rishabh's batch.
Yeah.
So I want to understand, how did you manage with your grief and everything?
I mean, manage is a very. I managed with it because I kind of put it in the back of my head and I just dealt with my life and I got busy with work and then I became a mum and then I just thought to myself that I have to be fair to my kid, so I can't be a sad mum. I have to be a
Yeah.
happy mum.
Yeah.
So, and
That's
then
so
Abir
true.
was born and then my daughter was born. So life just moved on very quickly for me. And so I think my grief just took a backseat. And after 8 years now, it's starting to hit me. And so I want to do things that kind of relieving me
Because
slowly of that grief.
That is very nice, because that time you just tried to put it under the carpet.
Yeah.
Maybe 8 years back, when you had dealt with it properly.
Yeah.
So it didn't might have hit you hard after
Yeah.
8 to 10 years.
Yeah.
So, but that is also nice.
Yeah,
I really
because
like that you gave it for the person that was alive that time, that was your child.
Yeah.
So that is also a very good
Yeah. Thank you.
thing that you
But
did. Very mature
so I
thing.
think the reason why also I started this podcast was because I wanted to know other people's stories. I
Right,
wanted to
right.
know because
But-
I'm not a
but
very
Rishabh
social talker.
was- Yes, of course, I know. You were an introvert.
Yeah,
you
yeah,
took
yeah.
2 years to speak to us.
Yeah. So and
we were
I
children.
remember every day you came to my
Huh.
house
And
trying
every
to
day.
be friends with me and trying to be like,
Yeah,
Auntie,
because
please
I
send
was
her, please send her.
I was
Yeah.
very social since childhood. I had
Yeah.
like all friends.
Yeah,
Everybody
yeah,
is
yeah.
my
You
friend.
were, yeah.
I was very outspoken out there. I never, you was like a, and little loud also.
Yeah. No,
I'm-
not loud, but
but I was a
mean,
very
you were,
cheerful girl
yeah, you
since
were.
childhood. I
Yeah.
never knew that this was my calling, and I wanted to become this, like a counselor or a psychologist and everything.
I'll tell you a little secret. I
Yeah.
told my father when I was in class 12 that I want to
Yeah.
do psychology and I want to become a
Huh.
psychologist. He said, absolutely not.
Uncle used to take
I don't
our
know if
thing.
you remember
you
or not.
remember? I remember uncle used to take our thing. IAS कैसे बनते
Yeah.
हैं, lawyer कैसे बनते हैं, ये कैसे करते हैं. And I
That
was
is
sitting
very
there.
true. That is very
you
true.
remember this?
Because he used to give us
He
his
used to
counseling
give us
lessons. Like
counseling
IAS,
lesson.
lawyer,
या तो
judge.
आप ये बनोगे या तो आप सारे
So,
ये बनोगे.
you know that conditioning in
Yeah.
our minds was like there from childhood,
Ha, ha,
and
ha,
that's
ha,
not
ha.
how we are raising our
Ha,
kids.
ha.
We are telling our kids, you do what
But
you want
uncle
to do.
used to give his 5 cents, 2 cents every
Yeah.
time he had time coming and going up.
I remember one time I told him, I think we had this discussion, and you were like, you know what, let's become air hostesses because they get to travel the world and it's such a cool job.
Really? I said
Yeah,
that?
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
And so I went to my
Okay.
dad and I'm like, Papa, I want to become an air hostess. And,
And
he's
then
like, have you lost your mind? That's not a very respectable job. I mean, no offense.
don't
to-
say that here.
No, no.
No,
but
but
he was
our
like,
fathers were really like they wanted us to have a professional,
Yeah.
skilled
Yeah.
degree.
yeah.
That was Rajiv uncle's viewpoint.
Yeah.
As far as
Yeah.
now I recall things.
Yeah.
It is not that any
That is
profession
very
is
true.
like
No.
bad or something. It was just that his perspective was that
And
we
also-
were supposed to have he wanted to show us that big thing,
Yeah.
IAS directly, so that we
And also, I think
fall up
it
in the
was
ladder
something to do
anywhere.
with like respect. Like,
No.
you have like, you're an IAS officer,
Yeah,
so
yeah,
you know, you
yeah,
have
yeah.
like
he
so
used
much
to show
of.
us all the dreams that
Yeah.
the IAS officer
Yeah,
had.
yeah, yeah.
And then, he showed us that mountain peak
Yeah.
because he wanted us to fall anywhere in the ladder.
अच्छा, I didn't know this.
कहीं तो बेचारे बन जाएंगे कुछ. मैंने कहा अंकल फिर हम ये भी बन सकते हैं, हम वो भी बन सकते हैं.
Yeah.
पम्मी, and he was like, पम्मी बेटा अभी आप बहुत छोटे हो.
Yeah.
I was Rishabh's age.
Yeah. You
I
were
was
in his
Rishabh's
batch.
age,
Yeah.
and oh my god, what
Yeah.
ball
So-
we had.
So my point is that we were conditioned to
Yeah.
like think big and think
Think
big in
big.
the sense that
Think big as in think big with professional degrees, because that time Radhika, आज content creation बहुत बड़ी इंडस्ट्री है. कंटेंट क्रिएशन उस टाइम पे था ही नहीं. आज जो आप जहाँ से यू कैन मेक मनी एंड बी फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट, ये सब प्रोफेशंस थे ही नहीं, ये लाइन्स ही नहीं थी. आज हम पॉडकास्ट कर रहे हैं, ये तो कभी हम सोच ही नहीं सकते
Yeah.
थे ना 15-20 years back
Yeah.
कि ऐसा कोई प्रोफेशन होगा.
so I think our role as parents is to make them independent, strong.
And just give them a
Because-
liberty to follow their passion.
Yeah, because
we
even we
cannot
won't know.
just वो लॉयर, जज, डॉक्टर और IAS वाली 4 डिग्रियों पे हम नहीं अब रिलाई करते.
That's true.
वो 4 जो उस टाइम पे पर यही होता ना, दे आर नॉट रॉन्ग, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे यही थी. एक आप कॉलेज में लेक्चरर हो, वाओ, आप डॉक्टर लगे हो, वाओ. मतलब वो अपनी
Yeah.
तरफ से गलत नहीं थे. They just wanted best for their child.
Yeah.
That's
yeah,
it.
That's true. Yeah. So, but today I tell my son, you do
हाँ.
what you want to do, but be passionate about what you want
be
to
passionate.
do. Yeah.
I never knew that psychology was my calling. I never knew, because I was always I was very
Why did you
passionate.
choose psychology? Like, what made you do
So
psychology?
I was actually fighting a battle between my family, society, and then I was little off track.
Because I know your parents are also a
Very
little conservative.
very
Yeah.
I come from a Sant background, so they are very conservative about girls being home at 8, about girls not traveling, about girls being just housewives. They had these mindsets, but I was the one to break all of them. and now my mother and my father, they both see me online doing all these things, and they're very happy about
Yeah.
it. They are my first cheerleaders, and
I think they've also come a long way.
yeah, they've evolved. They've evolved. They've seen that, okay, this is also a thing and she can do so well. We are happy about it. It's again the thing that, आपका बच्चा कहाँ खुश है, and अगर आप एक उस level पे हो कि आप उसको वो provide कर सकते हो, then why not? Just, be their supporter. कि वो हर जो भी वो line ले, उसमें वो बहुत अच्छा करें. That's the bottom line for it. कि आज अगर मुझे साइकोलॉजिस्ट बनना था, तो मेरे पेरेंट्स ने मुझे बनने दिया, प्रोवाइड किया, और मेरे को अच्छी अच्छी डिग्रीज, अच्छे कॉलेजेस में भेजा, मेरी फ़ी पे करी, बस इससे ज़्यादा मैं उनसे कुछ नहीं मांगा. और उसके बाद अगर मैं फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट हो गई तो
That's a cherry on top.
they are so happy about it, and that's the biggest, we all should be एक gratitude feeling है कि wow, my child has done this,
Yeah.
very nice.
I think that's the biggest thing, that you're
Yes,
financially
yes,
independent. I think
yes.
that's what parents at the end of the day want
Exactly.
from you.
From whatever. आज आप कॉमेडियंस देख लो, वो एक आईटी इंजीनियर है, गुड़गांव की एमएनसी की अच्छी कंपनी, अच्छा सब छोड़ के स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज दे आर गुड एट इट एंड दे आर अर्निंग 10x better.
Yeah.
So that is their calling.
Yeah.
So you should just follow your path. अब वो नहीं रह गया कि 4 प्रोफेशनल डिग्री हैं और वो ही कर सकते हैं. आज अगर हम उस लेवल पे हैं तो हमें करना चाहिए. और ये सब स्टार्ट होगा अगेन बच्चों से. हमें teach them right, teach them what is required, support them, validate them with, if we can, if there are we just have to be, parents, that we give them, okay, आपको ये आप coming to the point that you were saying कि बच्चे शेयर नहीं करते, या उनको अपनी चीज़ें नहीं देनी, या whatever, या वो 4 लोगों में बैठ के because they are pampered at home, तो वो अपनी वो बोलते थे he didn't give me this, so मैंने लगा दी. ये भी होता है ना. तो we have to just tell them that time that हम अभी बाहर आए हैं, और बाहर आके तो आपको भी शेयरिंग केयरिंग आपको भी देना पड़ेगा, और आपको ये थोड़े टाइम के लिए ही मिलेगा. आपकी चीज़ें तो घर पे है ना, आपने वो शेयर करी थी, आपने ऐसे किया था, तो ऑल दीज थिंग्स. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि बच्चे उस सामने वाले को डांटने लग जाओ, हाँ तूने मेरे बच्चे को कैसे मार दिया. नॉट ऑल ऑफ दैट. Not all
You
of
can't
that.
shame the other. Yeah.
Because I see mothers, fighting in play areas.
Oh God.
Yeah, fighting in play areas for their child के इन्होंने मेरे बच्चे को मार दिया. अरे एक मिनट, relax about it. हमें पता है आपका बच्चा है, वो भी किसी का बच्चा है. We have to have that heart for the other child also. If we are mothers, we are mothers to them as well. Right?
Wow.
A mother is a mother.
Yeah, of course. I mean, yeah, like my child or somebody else's child, if there are 2 kids fighting, I would have a heart for the other child also.
Yes,
like,
we need to have the heart for the other child as well. That is what the point is.
Yeah, of course. Okay, so I put a little segment on my Instagram asking some of my followers for some questions that they had to ask you.
Wow.
And some of the questions that they had was, there was somebody who asked, my 6-year-old lies constantly. Should I punish him or ignore it?
We need to see lying again. Lying for what? So I spoke to you about taking things home. And kleptomaniac is one thing, who is guilty about later. These are conduct disorders. They are not guilty, they are happy. Kleptomania is guilty when you speak to them.
Oh.
Yeah,
okay.
Conduct disorders are, they are happy and they have a habit that becomes habitual to them. कि वो कहीं पे भी हैं और उनको कुछ है. So we have to speak to them. Why is this happening? You are lying constantly. You want to be there. You want to be with them. और कोई घर पे कुछ और बोलता है, because there are a lot of things, if they are lying that they don't want to go to school.
But sometimes
listen, if they are lying that they don't want to go to school, you have to listen to them.
Yeah.
There is something happening at school.
Yeah. That I agree with. Because I read that case of that girl who committed suicide.
And
sadly her last message was that
वो बोल रही थी बार बार कि मुझे नहीं जाना, आप मेरी बात नहीं सुन रहे, and parents is
ignored it.
Yeah, अब जैसे बाहर एयर पोल्यूशन है, they are saying कि मुझे हेडेक हो रहा है, मुझे चेस्ट पेन हो रहा है, we are so okay about it.
We need to validate it.
होगा ना, ये नहीं होता. होगा क्यों होगा? आप अपने बच्चे का, आप उसके थोड़ा ज़्यादा टाइम दोगे. अगर उसका स्कूल घर पे है तो आप भी वर्क फ्रॉम होम ले सकते हो. आप घर पे बैठो उसके साथ, उसको टाइम दो, उसके साथ बैठो. Obviously बाहर एयर पोल्यूशन है तो they will be very panicky about it.
But
sleep disturbances हो जाएंगी, behavioral changes हो जाएंगे, सब कुछ होगा. Children will be cranky. ये सब चीज़ें होंगी. And then ये अगर कोई आपको बच्चा झूठ बोल रहा है या they are lying about something, rather than just giving them some, and forcing them for anything, you should speak to them. हर चीज़ राधिका can be solved if we talk. If we talk to our child and that might take long. That might be the child might throw tantrums, the child might not want to tell you the truth, the child might be manipulated by someone कि ये नहीं बताना वरना ये हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा. So we have to push those boundaries also कि मम्मा पापा ठीक है, मम्मा पापा तो ठीक ही रहेंगे अगर आप बताओगे तो ओके क्या हुआ था.
Yeah,
So,
that's true.
you know,
Actually, sometimes you scare them so much that they're scared to tell you.
Yes,
Yeah.
these are the cases that usually जो भी हम आज cases पढ़ रहे हैं कि schools में हो रहा है उनको बहुत ज़्यादा manipulate किया जाता है and they are developing brains. वो कितनी बात मानेंगे. उनको कोई बोलेगा कि अगर आपने ये बोला ना तो मैं मम्मा को मार दूंगा, तो वो मानेंगे कि मम्मा को मार देंगे. मेरी मम्मा को कोई हिट कर देगा ना फिर मैं नहीं चाहती तो मैंने नहीं बताना. पर वो उनको
Yeah.
तो affect कर रहा है ना.
Yeah.
That
But
is how.
I don't know how you feel about this, but I think I've scared my child a bit too much in the sense that we live in a place like Delhi, okay? And I'm like, when you go out, you're not going to talk to
Ekta,
strangers.
this is a big thing for me that you have a child. I want to meet them now.
Of course,
Okay.
anytime.
Huh.
But I've told him, like, you can't talk to strangers.
Acha.
And I have told him stories that somebody will come and kidnap you. And he will, and terrified stories that in the sense
Why
that he
are you
has
doing
dreams,
all this?
because I am so paranoid
No,
that I
but
have,
they will.
and I don't know how
Radhika, you're doing
psychologically
very
how
wrong.
that will impact
I want to say
him.
this on camera. She's doing very wrong. No, they will have bedwetting. They will have bad dreams. They will be conscious. They will be all the time anxious कि कोई है तो नहीं, कोई है तो नहीं. वो confident नहीं हो पाएंगे. आप उनको stories बता सकते हो, बोल सकते हो, पर in a manner जो उनको life में.
Have you seen this? There's a reel on Instagram
हाँ.
where it's a school
हाँ.
and somebody's eating chocolate, and then the teacher, and then there's this guy who's in like a black hoodie and comes and grabs the child.
No,
who's
I
ever,
haven't. Okay.
This child is having candy in a
Okay.
classroom,
Okay.
and whoever takes the candy from his hand, the guy comes in a black hoodie and takes the child. Then the next child will not take the candy because he knows that guy will
The
come.
guy
and
will come.
okay. And so the
Okay.
children are terrified in the class, terrified. And I showed that video
Huh.
to both my kids. and
You're
they were
very
like-
bad. You're very
and
bad.
I was like, see, this is what happens. This is what
very,
happens.
Very bad. No. What we can do is we can restrict their time for candies. We can restrict कि आज आपने एक खाई है ना, अब ये कल मिलेगी. Because obviously we have to take care of their
Yeah.
sugar rush and everything.
Yeah.
So what we do is we just give them set boundaries, set schedules, set एक कंटिन्यूएशन और एक स्केड्यूल और एक रूटीन जो होगा वो आपके बच्चे को बहुत चीज़ों में हेल्प करेगा. वो उसको डिसिप्लिन्ड बनाएगा, वो उसमें स्ट्रेंथ लाएगा, वो उसको कॉन्फिडेंट बनाएगा. अगर उसको पता है कि ये मेरा स्केड्यूल है 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, ये मेरे 4 आवर्स हैं घर पे और मैंने हर एक ये स्केड्यूल के हिसाब से चलना है और मेरा यही स्केड्यूल है, तो वो अपनी प्लानिंग अच्छी कर पाएगा. वो लाइफ में एक आगे अच्छा इंसान बनेगा क्योंकि वो स्केड्यूल के हिसाब से चलता है. ही इज़ प्लान्ड. पर उसका फ्री टाइम भी होना चाहिए कि हाँ ये आपका फ्री टाइम है, इसमें आप कुछ भी करो. एंड simultaneously the other thing goes, simultaneously the screen time goes, simultaneously the junk food goes, simultaneously the sugar goes. कि
That's true.
ये
Yeah.
आपने आज once a week junk खाया है क्योंकि आप you cannot spare your child, मतलब you cannot take them burgers and pizzas away from your life. Okay?
Of course.
So what we need to do is we need to restrict. We need to restrict. We need to say once a week हो गया, अच्छा अब हमने वो पार्टी में जाना है ना, तब जाके we'll have pizza burgers. That's how we
Right.
need to do.
Okay. So the next is my child is, I think we spoke about this, aggressive at home.
हाँ.
But an angel in school. Why?
Angel in
Yeah,
school.
aggressive at home, but an angel in school. Why?
So I'll tell you something. See, angel in home is your child has a thing कि मेरी personality अच्छी होनी चाहिए. He's a people pleaser. This is for sure. Now coming aggressive at home is because he has played his role. अच्छा होने का. So now his real nature is to be like this only. Now
That
he
is-
cannot pretend. You can pretend for a few hours. You can't pretend for the whole day.
Yeah.
So your child is people pleaser, pretentious, and so many things. So you need to understand this.
The true nature.
The true nature. The true nature is he's aggressive, and that will come someday in school also. So be prepared. लगाएगा किसी को या मारेगा. You will have a complaint soon.
Okay. So my daughter watches videos I don't approve of. Am I already too late?
No, you're not too late. but we need to understand the whole situation. The question is very less for me to give an answer, but no, we are not too late. If your daughter is above 15 or 16, then yes, teenagers are a tough nut to crack, because they have developed a certain brain, and they are already in their area of, they have a body image to follow, a friend circle to look for, and certain things that they are already in their society, so they become tough. But if your child is
Yeah,
at
4,
9,
5,
8, 4, we can still manage.
Okay. So my son throws things and screams when we say no. Is this normal or is something deeper going on?
No, this is not normal. They usually, children get cranky because you might have just said yes for all the things. You can't be a yes parent. These are called yes parents. These are called yes parents.
And
You
I
wanna
think
go
that's
there?
a very serious problem in our generation.
Yeah, you are yes parents.
Yeah.
These days, ये करना है yes, यहाँ जाना है yes, बोर हो रहे हैं very go, let's go out.
Yeah.
We are yes parents. We
Yes.
can't be yes parents or yes mothers. We have to give them no's. Because in life also, when you grow, you might have rejections. You have to prepare your child. Maybe you can give that your child right now, but you have to restrict yourself. You can't be yes parents, because if you become yes parents and tomorrow if they face rejection, that will be a bigger problem. So we have to take care of that. You can't be yes parents, you can't be yes mothers. Restrict yourself with giving everything to the child at a same point, so that they are prepared for no's.
Makes sense. Okay, so this is my 13-year-old keeps secrets, changes passwords, and hides chats. What's going on?
Everything fishy.
But I think that's normal, right?
No,
Like we
these
also
days.
did it.
No,
I know
I'll
parents are
tell you.
hyper.
I'll tell you. So these are called, there can be lot of things. As a mother, we are just stressful for our child that he is doing right. Okay?
What is the right age to date? I want to know from you. Is 13 too young?
13 is, if as Indians, there is no right age for all this. First of all, you have to have you have to be academically good, financially independent, able to take care of things, able to emotionally.
But अब financially
be
independent तो काहे ही होगे school
नहीं
में?
तो नहीं करो स्कूल में, मत करो, क्योंकि आप इमोशनली आपको
नहीं।
कोई अगर आपका हार्ट ब्रेक कर देगा तो मतलब मत करो ये स्कूल में. मैं तो यही सजेस्ट करूंगी, मत करो, पर ये हो नहीं पाएगा. ये होगा ही होगा. तो लेट्स गो देयर. पर इमोशनल रेगुलेशन, टू अंडरस्टैंड योर फीलिंग्स फर्स्ट एज अ पर्सन. आप क्या चाहते हो और आप क्या चाहते हो कि कोई आपको कितना अंडरस्टैंड करे, ये बहुत मैटर करता है. ये बहुत मैटर करता है. मेरी मम्मी से लड़ाई हुई. सो डू आई वॉन्ट माई बॉयफ्रेंड टू सपोर्ट मी इन लाइक yell at my mom or bitch about my mom? What is the condition? We have to understand that. And if he bitches about my mom with me, will I like that?
Yeah.
Will I like that? So, and if I like that, then I will be against my mom in coming few years. If he is my same boyfriend, because my mind will be polluted. क्योंकि उसकी मम्मी तो नहीं है ना, मेरी है.
My God, I can't even think about teenage years. They are going to be a tough.
यही मैं कह रही हूँ कि we have to understand as a parent कि हमारे बच्चे की सारी ages आएंगी, पर हमें उनको validate करना है. There is no right age for this. जितना late हो उतना अच्छा है is what I will say.
Of course.
ठीक है? Because these days सब अपनी लाइफ्स में बिजी हैं. ठीक है? और अगर आपके बच्चे को कोई ऐसा पार्टनर मिल गया जो वो आपके लिए पोल्यूट कर दे, तो आप सोच भी नहीं सकते कि क्या हो सकता है. एक केस था राधिका, वो इतनी यंग एज में डेट करने लग गए, उसने अपने घर के सारे लॉकर्स बता दिए कहाँ है अपने बॉयफ्रेंड को. और उन्होंने 14 ईयर में दे प्लान्ड हाइस्ट आल्सो.
Oh my God.
इमेजिन, आप सोच नहीं सकते कि आजकल क्या क्या हो रहा है.
That is very scary.
Yes. आप सोचो ना, क्योंकि इमोशनल अवेलेबिलिटी उसको पेरेंट्स से नहीं मिली ना, अपने पार्टनर में मिल गई. और वो पार्टनर क्या है? 14 ईयर ओल्ड, 15 ईयर ओल्ड. या आपकी 14 ईयर ओल्ड लड़की स्कूल जा रही हो और उसको कोई 21 ईयर ओल्ड मिल जाए, कुछ भी हो सकता है. So be there for your children,
think
and
what-
there has
yeah.
to be a bond between the mother and the
Mother
father and the child. तभी siblings
matter what
को,
happens,
no
the
matter,
first person you come and tell is
yes,
us.
yes, yes. You can't have कि पापा को बताऊंगी तो डांट पड़ेगी. No. अब बल्कि पेरेंट्स विल बी लाइक सबसे पहले जाके अपने पापा को बताओ. एक ऐसा इमोशनल अवेलेबिलिटी होनी चाहिए. वो हमें अपने पार्टनर में नहीं ढूंढनी, हमें अपने बच्चों के साथ रखनी है कि आपके बच्चे कोई राइट हैंड्स में जाएं.
That is so true. Okay. This is a very valid question. My teenager is obsessed with influencers. Is this a mental health warning sign?
Just
Because
make sure
influencers have so much
just make
influence.
influence they, that is why they
Yeah,
call influencers.
Everybody wants to become an influencer. Everybody wants to
But
become an
this is-
influencer.
I'll tell
And,
you.
I mean, what is the right age for that? Because I, again, like 13-year-olds, 14-year-olds with a camera think that they can bunk
See,
school.
I'll tell you something. See, इसमें कोई अगेन राइट एज नहीं होता है. अगर आपको दिख रहा है आपका बच्चा अच्छा है तो उसको वैलिडेट करो. वाओ नाइस, यू डूइंग इट राइट. अभी पढ़ लेते हैं, क्योंकि आप वो वाले इन्फ्लुएंसर को फॉलो करते हो ना, वो भी तो पहले पढ़ा है. पहले उसने अपनी 12th करी, ग्रेजुएशन करी. आप साथ साथ करो. मैं आपको इसकी क्लासेस लगवा देती हूँ. अ बेटर आइडिया. We need to validate them. We need to tell them we are your supporters. Then only they will listen to us. If you give them निकलो यहाँ से, क्या प्रोफेशन है and all of that like Indian parents, and I'm telling you, you're making it very hard. You will have a hard life.
Yeah.
That is the thing. आपको ये नहीं कर सकते आप. आपको you have to be with your children. You have to give them emotional regulation. You have to understand the feelings. You have to understand their everything. क्या चल रहा है उनकी लाइफ में आपको पता होना चाहिए. Very important.
That is so true. Okay, so we're gonna end this podcast,
yes,
and
yes,
I
it's
just
been
want
so
to
long.
ask you,
Yeah.
what do you wish you could scream at every parent? Something that you want to say, and you wish you could tell every parent at this stage.
Every parent, please give time to your children, because I see parents have so much of, and also don't have any expectations. Just let them be. Don't pressurize them for something कि आपको ये बनना है, वो बनना है, वो बनना है, ये बनना है. No, just let them be. Just let them have a good, stress-free, colorful and amazing childhood. कि वो जब वो बड़े हों तो वो चूज़ कर सके कि उनको क्या बनना है. वो उनके पास ऑप्शंस हो कि हाँ, मैं बहुत, आई एम अ गुड पर्सन, आई एम अ स्ट्रॉन्ग पर्सन मेंटली, आई हैव गुड एकेडमिक स्कोर, आई कैन डू वॉट एवर नाउ. Let them be, let them, and also let them find their passion. क्या क्या उनको अच्छा लगता है. Let them follow that. आज की डेट में हर चीज़ के लिए एक प्रोफेशन है, तो let them choose their own thing. Just be their supporter. एंड स्पेंड टाइम. आजकल राधिका, कोविड में हमें क्या सीखा हमने
That is true.
कि लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी कुछ
You
नहीं
don't
है.
know
अब
anything.
ये नहीं है कि मैं माई मदर एंड माई फादर विल लिव 90 years और आई विल लिव 90 years. So one thing that we have learned is just spend time with your family, have good bonds, have good memories, go for vacations, spend time. You never know what life has
That
for
is
you.
true. That
What
I can
life-
vouch for.
What life
Yeah.
has for you. That's the main thing.
Thank you so much. This was so insightful and so informative.
I'm
And
glad.
we loved having you on the podcast.
I loved coming here and seeing you after
Yeah.
so many years. And you were a mother, and you're
I
doing
know.
this also. You're writing a book also, and a PhD person. Oh wow!
Yeah, a lot of things on my sleeves, but I just want to thank you for taking
you.
out some time
Thank
and
you,
spending
thank
that
you.
this evening with us today.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much.
Thank you.
And